Hello my lovely people, welcome to my channel. So my channel will do about food, mainly seafood and pasta. So today I'm going to fry calamari. Here we have calamari. I already cut them in rings. Then we have this type of small fish here. So today this is what I'm making for dinner. So first what I will do, I will place my calamari here in this bowl and add some milk. So let me show you. So guys, here are our calamari. Then I have my small fish here which I've marinated with salt, lime and some chili. So here I'm going to place to add some milk. Why I add some milk? Just to soften it. For 30 minutes, I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes in milk. Then I'm going to show you how I'm going to fry them. Please like, subscribe and share and tell me what you think about my videos. I would really appreciate.